Hi folks, welcome to Delaney Auto. My name's Sterling Grissom. We have a fresh trade-in just for you guys. This is an incredible 2016 Honda HRV EX. It's also certified, so it comes with lots of great warranty. Let's go over some of those features. Wraparound headlights and taillights, fog lights, alloy wheels, breakaway mirrors with Honda's special lane watch capabilities already on the side, smart keyless entry, that super great sunroof, and all-wheel drive. This SUV is ready to roll. Let me go over some of those inside features. Coming to the back of the HRV here, as you can see, we're going to have loads of cargo space for all your boxes and bags. This vehicle also comes with the rubber floor matting, good for keeping off all that dust, dirt, rain, and snow. Then underneath you have the spare tire and the tools to change it if you need them. The back seats are very, very comfortable, but not only are they great to look at, you also get some extra storage space down here if you have some bigger objects you're towing around. In the front of the vehicle, you're going to have lots of amazing features like, again, the Honda lane watch system. On this vehicle, you're going to have the heated seats, the LED backup camera with the fully dynamic phone capability and Bluetooth display, and again, that super amazing sunroof. There are so many other great features I got to go over. You got to come check it out in person. This vehicle is all gassed up, been through service, and ready for you. My name's Sterling Grissom. I'm at the Delaney Honda building across from the Walmart Supercenter in Indiana, PA. And if you guys want to ride somewhere in comfort, style, and safety, then not only am I your salesman and we're your dealership, but this is your car.